Cool. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got my new exhaust system. I got it today. It took me a month to order it and have it delivered here, which isn't that bad for car parts. I was on a back order, so it is what it is. I went with Apex because I thought it sounded great. So real quickly, I'm going to make 2 videos on this. One's going to be a before and after with the stock exhaust, and then the Apex exhaust. And then I'm also going to make one more video. The second video is going to be the installation part. I'm probably just going to lift the car up and install it. I don't know if there's that many videos out there for it. Everybody knows that, anybody that keeps up with the GR86s or the BRZs, you know that they are too quiet and the exhaust is not that great sound wise, and they're hidden. I mean, as you can see right here, they don't pop out from the bumper. And I think that's kind of lame. So I'm excited for these. They give you a little bit more of a flair. Have y'all seen them? They have burnt tips. I think that's pretty cool. They pop out more and they sound nice. I'm excited to make a video where I get to install something into my car. It's like the first mod that I get to do with this. So I'm pretty excited. And yeah, tune in, like, subscribe. All right. I wanted to record opening the box because I'm just happy and I'm excited again. I know I don't have my knife. That's good. How it came. Oof. Pretty much bubble wrapped. Alright. What should we take out first? Okay, not that. I think all these boxes are empty. They just use it pretty bad. I thought there'd be more bubble wrap with more protection, but everything looks like it's well taken care of. Hey, my scissors. I lost the scissors, guys. Oh my god, it's right here on the freaking floor. God dang. I didn't do it. Nice. Gaskets, I believe. They're nuts. Ooh. Get out. And the big one. But right now it's brand new and I do not want to scratch it. I just want to admire it. So ooh. Oh yes. Yes, check it out. I'm trying to be smooth, but I can't. Oh nice. Okay, cool. Let's see why. Oh, let's go. Look at that. Can y'all see? Ooh, y'all can't see the way I do with all this lighting. Okay, check it out. Oh, that is beautiful. I love the burnt tips. Ooh, that's so nice. Quality video. Oh shoot. There we go. Now y'all can see for what it is. Just had to zoom in. Oh, that's amazing. Check that out. Hell yeah. I need people to understand how happy I am. But yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm so happy. I knew what I was getting with my money. Because obviously I've heard a lot about them and the quality. Jeez, I keep stepping on that. But, oh, I'm so happy. I can't wait to install this. And that's going to be probably part 2 of this video. I'm going to show you guys the smudge. Y'all can see the smudge right there. It's right there. Yeah. There's the smudge. Oh man, look at that. You know what we want to see. I know what I want to see. Ooh. So I started opening it up, right? And I don't know how much we can see this, but there's a little dent over there.
You know, I'm carefully opening this up and then seeing scratch marks probably. I'm starting to get worried that this was already used. I still need to open this part right here, but God, I'm hoping it's just me, but can't really, like, there's these lines right here. It's hard to tell. Maybe if I zoom in. Yeah, like, look at that. Like, you see these lines right there? Maybe I'm tweaking. I'm new to this, but it's very upsetting to see that. Oh. This too. I don't know how this happened, but it kind of sucks. This one was just a little scratched up. Again, reflections aren't that good. I just want to make sure I'm not getting sold a used part. It's very, very annoying. It's sexy as fuck. Alright. Take this off. Look at the welds, dude. That's clean. Clean welds right there. The burnt tips. Hang on, I love the burnt tips. Shit's clean.